which is awesome. And this happened to be some organic wildflower honey that I got from a friend, and I'm super happy to have that with me. Um, and it came in really handy for this project, I think. So, as you can see, I have these large sort of cuttings from the plant because I wanted to make sure that I cut it down enough that it could get that bushy sort of look to it. So I did cut down quite a bit while still leaving a good amount of the foliage intact. But as you can see, they're pretty big. So I did have to cut them down to a more manageable size, and I did sort of trim it off. And then dip it in the honey. The first plant, I did a little bit of a boo boo. You're not supposed to just put it in directly after the honey. You're supposed to wait a little bit, and I did not. I put it in immediately after dipping in the honey, and I don't know if it's going to survive the process because the appropriate way to do it is to dip it in the honey and then let it sit for 30 minutes to sort of absorb that, and then you plant it. So we'll see how that ends up going, and we'll go from there.